Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learning Arabic. Okay, so this is new channel actually. I uploaded my first video in this channel 4 months ago, and after that I didn't upload again because I was busy with other channels. So the title of this video is "Can a busy and old man learn Arabic?" Okay, yeah, I'm quite old actually, for 38 years old, and I'm busy because I'm working. I'm working since from 7 until 4 in the afternoon, and until 3 actually, and in the afternoon at 4 until 5:30, I work again extra job. So the whole day I'm busy from morning until evening. So how can I learn Arabic? How can I improve Arabic? Actually, I'm not a beginner in Arabic because I already learned Arabic since I was a kid in madrasah. But I didn't use Arabic in daily life, and I also didn't use Arabic at school. So that's why I forget so many words in Arabic. Actually, in madrasah, when I was a kid, I learned Arabic only just greeting, introduction, just like that. So I can say that now I'm a beginner in Arabic, but I understand some rules, some the grammar rules in Arabic. So in this channel, I want to upload my activity in learning Arabic. So I don't want to share Arabic tutorial actually because I'm not Arabic teacher. So I want to share the way I'm learning Arabic. I maybe it's useful for you, so you can copy it. You can try to do the same what I did here. Uh, I don't go to Arabic class because I'm busy, so I just learn by myself. I think we can learn new languages the way we learn our first language. I already speak 4 languages, two local languages, one national language, and one international language, English. Yeah. Okay. Uh, when I was 7 years old, before 7, I only spoke one language, my first language, local language. And after that, when I was around 8 or 9 years old, I started speaking another local languages because my dad from another city, and in that city the people spoke another local languages. So I started speaking two languages at a time, and the national language we use at school, and also when we watch TV, mostly national language. So I remember when I was grade 5, 12 or 13 years old, I didn't really understand 100% the national language. So at school, my teachers used to translate into local languages. And also the books I used at school also written in national language. And I didn't really understand. I understood, but not 100%. Okay, and I started learning English when I was in senior high school. And how do I learn those languages? I just use direct method. I listen, I speak, I read, and I write. That's the way. So through practice. So this activity for me, it's like installing the language in my head. So it's like a program. When you install the program in your laptop or in your gadget, so you can use it. So language for me is just like that. So we install the language in our head, in our brain, so we can use the language. So just speak the language, listen more people speaking the language you learn, just like that. Okay. So that's what I want to do in Arabic now. Start from now. So I want to practice every day. So I want to record and then I want to upload in this channel. It's just like that. Okay. So now I want to begin from 20 expressions here from Arabiyyah bayna yadayk book. So to remember, to memorize like that, to install the language in my head. So I write the message here in English like this, and I read the text here, and then after that I try to speak in Arabic. Sometimes I use text like this, and sometimes I use image, and sometimes just speak Arabic on the spot. That's the way I want to do. So many ways actually, but for now, I use the English text here. Okay, so first, Assalamualaikum. This is the expressions of greeting, Islamic expressions actually. The second one, Ismi Sunardi. Mas Muka. My name is Sunardi. What's your name? Kaifahaluka. Kaifahaluki. How are you? We say ka for man and ki for woman. Bikhair. Alhamdulillah. Fine. Praise be to Allah. Min aina anta? Min aina anti? Where are you from? Ta for man and ti for woman. This is the Arabic expressions here. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Ismi masmuka. Kaifa haluk? Bikhair. Alhamdulillah. Wa kaifa haluka anta? Min aina anta? Ana min Indonesia. Hal anta Indonesi? Naam. Ana Indonesi. Ma jinsiyatuka anta? Ana Misriyun. Ana min Misri. Here the Arabic expressions. Ana min Indonesia. Hal anta Indonesian? Naam, ana Indonesian. Ma jinsiyatuka anta? Ana Misriyun. Ana min Misri. هذا أخي هو مدرس. هذا صديقي هو مهندس. هذه صورة أسرتي. من هذا؟ هذا والدي هو مهندس. This is the Arabic expressions. هذا أخي هو مدرس. هذا صديقي هو مهندس. هذه صورة أسرتي. من هذا؟ هذا والدي هو مهندس. هذه والدتي هي طبيبة. هذا أخي هو طالب. هذه أختي هي معلمة. هذا جدي. هذه جدتي. Okay, this is the Arabic expressions. هذه والدتي هي طبيبة. هذا أخي هو طالب. هذه أختي هي معلمة. هذا جدي. هذه جدتي. Okay, I think that's all for this video. See you next time. I hope you get benefit from this. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.